Ford splits electric cars from gas to operate at startup speed. So they're calling this their new electric-only department, Ford Model E. And that will be in charge of all things electric cars, including a reworked buying experience, presumably a lot more online, less dealership involved, I would assume. And then their gas cars will be under the banner of Ford Blue, like the classic blue. So your Bronco is Ford Blue, Will.
Mm-hmm.
But I think they think from an operational perspective, splitting these things up gives them more focus, smaller teams. Well, they're the ones that are saying it's like a startup type of environment and energy. Confirming rumors that have swirled for months, Ford announced that it was splitting into two distinct but strategically independent auto businesses called Ford Blue and Ford Model E. While Ford Blue will manage the legacy internal combustion engine vehicles, Ford Model E represents its push into the electric vehicles with products like the Mustang Mach-E and the Ford F-150 Lightning. Now, some people were critical on social media of the naming. They said, hey, that sounds a lot like Tesla with the model stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
I think originally, I believe that Elon wanted the Model 3 to be called the Model E. Then he flipped the E around to the 3.
It's a nice move. It's a good move.
However, then Ford people, they fired back.
Uh-oh.
And said, hey, we've been on the model thing since the Model T.
Ooh, I didn't even think about that.
Which was the inspiration for the model naming idea. Big inspiration for Tesla. So Elon ain't mad, but it does make things a little bit more confusing. Now, for the record, they're not calling any car Ford Model E. They're calling the department Ford Model E for whether that matters to you or not. But how about that Model T? What a game changer. Yeah, no, it was horses, and then you got that. Kirk, you're saving up, man. You're saving up for one of those.
You know, I told Will this. I'm excited for the Bronco, electric Bronco. Because that Ford F1 Lightning, when it came
You sounded
in,
like Doug DeMuro there for a second. A Bronco electric.
I can't harness that Doug DeMuro
saving
energy.
up for the Bronco
He's
electric.
got too much energy.
Electric.
But I think Ford is doing compelling stuff with their EVs from what we've seen.
Oh, for sure.
That Lightning was nuts. That Lightning is insane.
Look at that guy's picture right there. 90 years after the Model T, he's got the Mach-E beside it. Wow. Look at this guy. He had them both. He owned them both, that guy with the cane.
101.
Nice. Check his suit. Check the fit, Kirk.
Wow.
You can only dream, sir.
I can't hit those styles.
Was he from Westminster?
He's got so much room in the pant leg.
Yeah.
To keep the airflow.
Yeah.
He probably got starch with the shirt. He probably got the shirt starched.
Man, he's 101, this man.
Yeah. Wow.
That's a crazy amount of tech to be like exposed to in your life, from the Model T to the Mach-E.
Model T to the Mach-E.
Like, think about that span.
It's a documentary. His life is a documentary.
So he would have been born in 1921.
The man's life is a documentary. Yeah, so don't be upset, everybody. Listen, there's enough Model E to go around. There's enough electric vehicles for everyone.